We are currently on the TextPlace dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to share your snippets. So pretend you're a project manager and you want your team to have access to the snippets you've created. We're going to go and click on the folder we want to share and immediately prompt edit the folder or sharing. We're going to go to sharing. From there, we're going to share with others by putting in the email of the person we want to share with, as well as defining what kind of role you want them to have. Would you like them to just view it? Would you like them to have access and edit it themselves, or have full access? We're just going to go for this example and choose that this person can only view the snippets. From there, we're going to share folder access, and it's going to instantly send an email to that person, allowing them to have access to view your snippets. In file sharing, everything is in real-time sync. From there, we can already see that I'm the owner and one of my crew members is a viewer. We can delete this person's access if we like, or we can go ahead and start adding more. And that's how you share folders on TextPlace.